Bella meets Tofu the turtle. Sniff, sniff. Red Ear Slider Turtle is scared of Bella.
Bite the head off.
No.
That's what you better watch Bella may bite his head off.
Stop sniffing Tofu, Bella.
I don't know. Mike, you better watch Bella.
She's scary. Because we've been at the bed and breakfast hotel.
Okay, run, Tofu. Run away from Bella. Run away from Bella, Tofu. Run away from Bella. 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 Tofu's right there. You want to play with Tofu? Do not bite Tofu. You're scaring Tofu. No, no, no. You cannot bite snuff Tofu's head. Only Tofu's tail. Tofu's okay. Tofu's okay.